Often we want to add text to a slide and we don't have a placeholder to put it in. So in that case, if you want to add extra text to your slide, you need to create a text box. I'm going to go to slide 2. On slide 2, I'd like to insert, so I go to the Insert tag in my ribbon and I'll choose the button Text Box. I'll then click somewhere on the slide which is not going to compete with anything, and I'll type the text that I want to show, subject to change. I can then easily select the text box just by getting this particular mouse pointer, which is a white arrow with a four-headed black arrow, and I can easily select the text box and move it. And as I move it, you can sort of see lines that are saying I'm now in line with the top of the ways, I'm in line with the bottom of the ways, and I'm in line with the center of the ways. So you can actually, as you move it around, see how it lines up with other objects on your slide. Now you can also, with this particular mouse pointer, rotate. So I can drag to the left and I'm rotating this particular text box. Or if I would prefer, I can actually go to the Drawing Tools Format tab in the ribbon and choose the option Rotate, and I can rotate it left 90, right 90, flip it vertical or flip it horizontal. So it's sometimes easier than trying to physically drag and get an exact rotation. So I'm going to go flip vertical. I can easily size the text box just by getting this two-headed arrow and resizing. And I can move it and place it where I want it to sit, which might be here. But while I'm adjusting it, I'll just move it away from the bullet points for now. You can apply some options such as a shape fill, which is the inside color of the text box. You can even apply a shape outline, which is a border around the outside of the text box. You can apply shape effects such as a reflection or a glow or a shadow, so I might add a shadow, and as I roll over the various options you can see what it looks like. I might decide to change the text fill, so as I roll over the options again you can see this is immediately impacting the text in my text box. I can also add a text outline which gives the text some sort of depth. Or I can go into text effects and actually apply some sort of reflection to the text, glow, beveled, rotation, or even transform the text. If I go into transform, I can choose various shapes and just roll over them to see what they look like. I can also align this text in the center by going home and choosing center, and then I can drag it and put it into position. What I can then do if I want to is I can actually copy and paste that and add it to slide 3. So I'll copy, go to slide 3, and I'll paste. And it pastes it pretty much in the same location on slide 3 as it was in slide 2.